Hey all, HFS here. Today we have a 29-inch, 28-inch Harbor breezeway ceiling fan. Now, I believe these were sold around the 90s to the early 2000s. This one has the smaller sockets. I got this off eBay. It's a good fan. Just a few little scuffs and replacement screws. A little bit of grease on the blades. Definitely came out of a kitchen. But other than that, it's really good. And it's installed in my bathroom, of course, because it fits. It's so fitting. Anyway, let's start on low. And the bearings are pretty bad in the fan. And it's a little loose. Alright, let's go to medium. It does have a humming issue. But this thing flies. And if you're wondering why it's got different shades on it, well, one shade broke in shipping. I don't have replacement breezeway shades, so let's go up to high. It's going so fast, the camera can't keep track of it. It's got one LED, and these are small socket CFLs. Like I said, in the next room there's an exhaust fan, so it's just installed where the sinks are. Let's turn it off. See, this spin down should not be very long due to the bearings. You see it's rapidly slowing down. And it already stopped. Probably the quickest spin down I've ever seen on a fan before, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.